Hello students, welcome back to maths class. Hope you are safe at home. Tell me what we have learned in our previous class. We have learned about comparison of fractions. That is how to compare like fractions and unlike fractions. So in our today's class, we are going to learn about inserting a fraction between two fractions and fundamental operations on fractions. So let's begin our today's class with inserting a fraction between two fractions.
Inserting a fraction between two fractions. Let us understand this by solving a problem. See the example 1. Insert a fraction between 2 by 5 and 6 by 5. Here we have to insert a fraction between these two fractions. For that, first you have to compare these two fractions. You have to find which is smaller and which is greater. Now see, they are like fractions. Write it here. 2 by 5, 6 by 5. They are like fractions. Here the denominators are same. You just have to compare the numerators. See here, we have 2 and here we have 6. Which is smaller here? 2. Therefore, this fraction is smaller than 6 by 5. 2 by 5 is smaller than 6 by 5. This is our first step. You have to compare the given fractions. After that, you have to find a required fraction which we have to insert in between them. Therefore, the required fraction is equal to C. To find the required fraction, you have to add the numerators of these fractions. Add the numerators 2 plus 6 divided by. Similarly, you have to add the denominators of these two fractions. 5 plus 5. Simply, you have to add the numerators and denominators of given fractions. Now, it is equal to, simplify it. 2 plus 6, we get 8 by 5 plus 5, we get 10. Find its lowest term. You know that. For that, let's divide it by 2 because 8 and 10 both are divisible by 2. 2 how much are? 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 4 by 5 is the lowest term of 8 by 10. Can we further divide it? No, because 4 and 5 are not divisible by same number. So, stop it here. So, this is our required fraction which we have to insert in between these two fractions. See here how we have to insert. 2 by 5 is less than this fraction you have to write here. Now 4 by 5 which is less than, now write this fraction 6 by 5. See, in this way you have to insert a fraction between these two fractions. Required fraction is 4 by 5 which you have to insert in between these two fractions like this. Therefore, 2 by 5 is less than 4 by 5 which is less than 6 by 5.
Let's solve one more example. Example 2. Insert a fraction between 11 by 13 and 14 by 15. See here, these are unlike fractions. To insert a fraction between two fractions, first we have to compare them. Here, unlike fractions, it is difficult to compare them. I have told you, we have two methods to compare unlike fractions. Either by converting them into like fractions or by converting them into fractions with same numerator. Let's convert them into like fractions. It is easy. For that you have to find LCM of denominators. It is 13 and 15. LCM of 13 and 15. Find it. 13 and 15. 13 which is divisible by 13 only. 13 ones are 13 and 15 is not divisible by 13, so write it as it is. 15 divided by 15 itself. 15 ones are 15. LCM of 13 and 15. Just multiply these two numbers, 13 into 15. Here we get 195, which is our LCM. Now take first fraction 11 by 13, which is equal to, take the LCM 195 and divide it by the denominator of this fraction. Here we get 15, and this 15 you have to multiply to the numerator as well as denominator. Multiply 11 into 15 divided by 13 into 15, which is equal to 11 into 15, we get 165 upon 13 into 15, which is equal to 195. Similarly, take second fraction, which is 14 by 15, which is equal to, take LCM 195 and divide it by the denominator of this fraction, which is 15. Here we get 13, and this 13 you have to multiply to the numerator as well as the denominator, which is equal to 14 into 13, which is equal to 182 upon 15 into 13, which is equal to 195. See, these are like fractions. See the denominators, they are same. Now, after converting the given unlike fractions into like fractions, we have to compare them. See, the denominators are same. We have to compare the numerators. Here we have 165, here we have 182, which is smaller here, 165. Therefore, this fraction is smaller than this fraction. To insert a fraction between two fractions, you have to write the smaller fraction first. Remember this. Write the smaller fraction. Which is the smaller fraction here? 165 by 195, which is smaller than this fraction, 182 by 195. So this implies
See here, 160 by 195, which is equal to 11 by 13. So write it here, 11 by 13, which is less than 182 by 195, 182 by 195, which is equal to the fraction 14 by 15, 14 by 15. So 11 by 13 is less than 14 by 15. After this, after the comparison of these two fractions, we have to find the required fraction which we have to insert between these two fractions. Therefore, the required fraction is equal to find the required fraction, what we have to do? We have to add the numerators and the denominators of these two fractions. Add them. 11 plus 14 divided by 13 plus 15, which is equal to 11 plus 14, which is equal to 25 upon 13 plus 15, which is equals to 28. This fraction you have to insert in between these two fractions. Therefore, 11 by 13 is less than, you have to write this fraction here, 25 by 28, which is less than this fraction, 14 by 15. So, in this way you have to insert the required fraction. So, the students, our next concept is fundamental operations on fractions. In that, first one is addition and subtraction of like fractions. Here we have to learn how to add or subtract like fractions. See here, if like fractions are given, to add or subtract, you just have to add or subtract their numerators, and the denominator you have to write it as it is. Let's solve some examples to understand the concept clearly. See here, evaluate. In that first one, 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5. And the second one, 1 plus 5 by 12. And the third one is 5 by 13 minus 2 by 13. And the last one is 1 minus 2 by 7. Let's solve one by one. Take first, it is A. 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5, which is equal to. See here students, they are like fractions. Here we have to add them. To add the like fractions, we have to add only the numerators. We have to add the numerators. See here, 3 plus 7 divided by, and the denominator you have to write as it is. Here we have denominator 5, write it as it is. Now simplify it. 3 plus 7, we get 10 by 5 as it is. Now you have to reduce it to lowest term. Now divide it. We can use 5 to divide 10 and 5 because 10 and 5 both are divisible by 5. Yes, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, which is equal to, we are left with here 2 by 1, which is nothing but 2. In this way, you have to add the given like fractions. You just have to add the numerators and keep the denominator as it is. Let's solve the second example. 1 plus 5 by 12, which is equal to. See here. Here we have 1. We have to write 1 in terms of fraction in which the denominator should be 12. See, for that, write 1 as 12 by 12. We want 12 in the denominator. Same number you have to write in the numerator. See, why? Because if we reduce it into lowest term, it will give 1 only. 12 ones are 12 ones are. So, we get 1 only. Now, to this add 5 by 12. Why we have to write 1 in terms of 12 by 12? Because to get the denominator same. See here, 12 and 12. They become like fractions. Okay. Then it is easy for you to add. Now, the denominators are same. You have to add only the numerators, which is 12 plus 5 upon, keep the denominator as it is, which is equal to, now add 12 plus 5, we get 17 upon, keep the 12 as it is, write 12 as it is. Now solve the third problem. Here, which is 5 by 13 minus 2 by 13, which is equal to. They are like fractions which we have to subtract. To subtract these like fractions, you just have to subtract the numerators and keep the denominator as it is. Now subtract it. 5 minus 2 upon 13, you have to write as it is, which is equal to 5 minus 2, we get 3 upon 13 as it is. In this way, you have to subtract the given like fractions. Let's solve this last example. 1 minus 2 by 7, it is equal to 1. We have to write it in the form of a fraction. How we have to write? See, for that you just observe the denominator here, which is 7. 7 by 7. Because if we divide it 7 ones are, you get 1 only. Therefore, 1 can be written as 7 by 7 minus 2 by 7, which is equal to. Now, it is easy for you to subtract. See, 7 minus 2, because we have to subtract only the numerators and keep this denominator 7 as it is, which is equal to 7 minus 2, we get 5 by 7. Fundamental operations on fractions. The second one is addition and subtraction of unlike fractions or mixed fractions. Here we have to learn how to add or subtract unlike fractions or mixed fractions. See here students, to add or subtract unlike fractions, we have to convert them into like fractions. Then we have to perform the respective operations. And to add or subtract mixed fractions, we have to convert them into improper fractions.
and then you have to perform the respective operations. Let's solve examples to understand that in a better way. See here, example 1. Add the following. In that first one, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 12 plus 4 by 9. And the second one is 5, 2 by 3 plus 3, 1 by 3 plus 2, 2 by 9. Let's solve first one. See here. These are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. We have to convert them into like fractions. Then we have to add them because here we have to add them because addition is there. Let's find the LCM of denominators to convert them into like fractions. 3, 12, 9 we have, and we have to find their LCM. For that we have to divide them. Begin with the smallest divisor, that is 2. 3 and 9, they are not divisible by 2. Write them as it is. What about the 12? It is divisible by 2. 2, how many are? 2 6 are 12. 9, we have to write it as it is. Next divisor, 2. 3 we have to write as it is. 2, how many are? 2 3s are 6 and 9 as it is. See here, 3, 3, 9 we have. Which number we have to take to divide them? 3. 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again take 3 to divide this 3. This one and 1. 3 1s are 3. Now the LCM of 3, 12 and 9 is equal to, for the LCM we have to multiply all these numbers. Multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36. Therefore, the LCM of 3, 12 and 9 is equal to 36. Now, you have to write these fractions here to convert them into like fractions. Right here. 2 by 3. Next one is 5 by 12. 4 by 9. See here, the denominator is 3. 3, how many are 36? 3 12s are 36, and that 12 you have to multiply to numerator as well as denominator. Okay? See here, we have denominator 12. 12, how many are 36? 12 3s are 36. Multiply that 3 to the numerator as well as denominator. 9, how many are 36? 9 4s are that 4. We have to multiply to the numerator as well as denominator. Now simplify. 2 into 12 which is equal to 24 divided by 3 into 12 which is equal to 36. 5 into 3 15 upon 12 into 3 36. 4 into 4 16 upon 9 into 4 36. See here, these are like fractions. The denominators are same here. Now we have to add them. See what is given here. Write this. 2 by 3 plus 5 by 12 plus 4 by 9, which is equal to, see here, 2 by 3 which is equal to the fraction 24 by 36. Write it here. 24 by 36 plus symbol as it is. 5 by 12 which is equal to the fraction 15 by 36. 15 by 36 plus 4 by 9
4 by 9, which is equal to the fraction 16 by 36. 16 by 36. See here, all are like fractions. You know how to add like fractions. See, the denominators are same. We have to add only the numerators, which is equal to, add the numerators. 24 plus 15 plus 16, which is divided by, denominator is 36. We have to write it as it is, which is equal to, now add the numerator. 24 plus 15, 39. 39 plus 16, 55. 55 upon 36. Therefore, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 12 plus 4 by 9 is equal to 55 by 36. Let's solve the second problem. 5 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 3 plus 2 2 by 9. See here students, these are mixed fractions. To add them, first we have to convert them into improper fractions. Let's convert them first. What we have? 5 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 3 plus 2 2 by 9, which is equal to, convert these mixed fractions into improper fraction. For that, we have to multiply this whole number to the denominator. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. By this denominator as it is, plus. Same steps. 3 into 3. 9. 9 plus 1, 10 by 3, plus 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20 by 9. These are improper fractions. Now we have to add them. For that, you have to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominators. Find the LCM of these denominators. 3, 3, 9. We have to start with the smallest divisor. Here we can't take 2 because these are not divisible by 2. So start with 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Again take 3 and divide it. 1 1 as it is. 3 1s are 3. Therefore, LCM of 3, 3 and 9 is equal to 3 into 3, 9. Therefore, the LCM is 9. Now, what we have to do? We have to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. For that, write these fractions here. 17 by 3, 10 by 3 and 20 by 9. Now, tell me, 3 how many are 9? 3 3s are 9 and that 3 multiply to the numerator as well as denominator. 3 how many are 9? 3 3s are 9. The same step we have to follow. Now, here we have denominator 9. 9 how many are? 9 1s are. 9 1s are. That one we have to multiply to the numerator as well as denominator. Now simplify. 17 into 3 is equal to 51. 3 into 3, 9. 10 into 3, 30. 3 into 3, 9. 20 into 1, we get 20. 9 into 1, 9. See, these are like fractions. Now it is easy for you to add, no? Okay, let's add them. See here students, we have converted the mixed fractions into improper fractions and now we have converted them into like fractions. Write it here. See, 17 by 3 which is equal to the fraction 51 by 9. Okay, write it here, 51 by 9 and plus symbol as it is. 10 by 3 which is equal to the fraction 30 by 9 plus 20 by 9 which is equal to the fraction 20 by 9. Now see, they are like fractions. Now add them. For that you have to add only the numerators. 51 plus 30 plus 20 divided by denominator 9 which is equal to. Add 51 plus 30, 81. 81 plus 20, 101. 101 and denominator 9 as it is. If you want, you can convert it into mixed fraction. It is equal to 11 2 by 9. You know that how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. If you want, you can convert it. Let's solve example 2. Simplify 3 by 7 minus 5 by 8. Here we have to subtract them. See here we have a mixed fraction which we have to convert into improper fraction first. For that write it here, 3 by 7 minus 5 by 8 which is equal to. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 into 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 by 7 minus this fraction you have to write as it is. Now, what is your next step? These are unlike fractions. Denominators are different. Now you have to convert them into like fractions. Find the LCM of the denominators 7 and 8. Starts with 2. 7 is not divisible by 2. Write it as it is. 2 4s are 8. Take again 2. 7. 2 2s are 4. 2. 2 1s are 2. And the 7 is divisible by 7. So take 7 and divide it. Therefore, the LCM of 7 and 8 is equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 7s are 56. Therefore, the LCM is 56. Now, write these fractions here. 10 by 7, 5 by 8. We have to make the denominator same. So, take this 7. 7, how many are 56? 7 8s are 56. That 8 you have to multiply to the numerator as well as denominator. 8, how many are 56? 8 7s are 56. That 7 multiply to the numerator and denominator of this fraction. See, now simplify. 10 into 8, it is equal to 80 upon 7 into 8, which is equal to 56. Come here. 5 into 7, which is equal to 35. 8 into 7, which is equal to 56. See here. These are like fractions. Now we have to subtract them. Now write the fraction 3 by 7 minus 5 by 8, which is equal to 10 by 7 minus 5 by 8, which is equal to 10 by 7, which is equal to the fraction 80 by 56. Write it here, 80 by 56 minus 5 by 8, which is equal to the fraction 35 by 56. 35 by 56. Now it is easy for you to subtract because these are like fractions. Now just subtract the numerators. 80 minus 35 upon denominator as it is. Okay. 80 minus 35, 45 upon 56. Therefore, 3 by 7 minus 5 by 8 is equal to 45 by 56. So students, in our today's class, we have learnt about inserting a fraction between two fractions and fundamental operations on fractions. In that, first one is addition and subtraction of like fractions, and the second one is addition and subtraction of unlike fractions or mixed fractions. I have attached homework problems along with this video. You have to solve them in your maths notebook. See you in next class. Thank you.